Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Make Math Easy. So in the last class we discussed detailed step-by-step procedure for the maximum minimum word problems, right? And also as a sample we discussed one question. So from here on, at least for the next 5 to 6 days, we are going to discuss at least two word problems in a day. So let me make an attempt to cover all the possible models from the maximum minimum word problems. So the one advantage here is please don't think that it will be given only for the 5-mark question directly, because as we know this time they changed the pattern. They may ask you the question from maximum minima as a case study based question. So case study based question in the sense like how in the English you are having a comprehensive questions, you will be given a paragraph, based on that paragraph you will be having some questions, right? In the similar way, even in math also you have a case study based questions, but you don't need to think it as a comprehensive based question. Just try to read it like a normal question only, like what you are doing in the entire procedure. The procedure only they will be asking you as a questions. That's it. Other than that, there is no other thing that you can see over there. You can just think it like a 5-mark question only, right? So let us make an attempt to try to cover important models under. But as I told you already, please stick to the procedure that we are going to follow. That is very important. You should identify only first given and what is the function to be maximized or minimized. Please don't see any other terms, because that will make you too confused with respect to the question, right? So better first, as of now, till you get practice on the questions, fix for this method. Later if you want, you can think in the other way also, right? Now see this question. Show that surface area of a closed cuboid with a square base, a closed cuboid with a square base and given volume is minimum, and given volume is minimum, comma, when it is a cube. When it is a cube, right? So as we discussed, first please stick to the procedure that I told you already. Identify what is given and look for the function to be maximized or minimized. You just observe here, it's a closed cuboid, right? It makes a sense, because if they give as a closed cuboid, your formulation will become different. Open cuboid means it will be different. Anyway, next question I will discuss again with the cuboid only, but with an open box. That will give you more clarity. With a square base and given volume. So indicating volume is given for us. Is minimum. That means the closed surface area has to be minimum. Correct? You just try to understand the question. Identify only given and function to be maximized or minimized. Please stick to this procedure only. So what they had given to us, it's a closed cuboid. That means you are having a cuboid like this. But what they said, it's a square base it is having there. It means square base in the sense, they mention here square base. Square base in the sense both at the base x and x length and breadth are same, and let this be height h or y, anything you can take. So that means for this cuboid, volume V will become LBH, that is nothing but x square into y. This is given to us, right? And then we identified the function here that has to be minimum, right? So surface area is my function, as it is a closed cuboid and it's a surface area, which means it's a total surface area. So my formula will become 2 times of LB, BH, LH, because all faces has to be included. It's a closed cuboid. So what you will be getting 2 into LB means x square, xh plus xh. So my S is becoming 2 times of x square plus 4xh you are getting, right? So you can take h as a y, right? So this h can be replaced with y and this will become xy, and this also will become xy. So this is the function for which we have to apply the differentiation. Till this point we are clear. Now the thought is, as I told you, the next step in the procedure. First step is identifying given and the function to be maximized or minimized. Second step, you will be having two variables. If you have a two variables, convert it into a single variable. So now here you can see two variables you are having, x and y, right? So using this given statement, we have to convert this into single variable. Now the question comes here is whether we have to convert y into x or x into y. You just think one small logic here. X is given for 2 times in this function, but y is existing for only 1 time. So what I will feel generally, if I replace y with something, I can replace at only one position. But from this, if I get the value of x in terms of y, first thing it will come in terms of square root. Second thing, I have to replace at the 2 positions. Instead of that, substituting y with this function will be easy for me because I can substitute at only one place and there are no radicals also, right? So let us substitute that s is equal to 2x square 4x into v by x square. This is 2x square 4v by x. This is s. So now you can observe it is everything in terms of a single variable x. So now I will apply differentiation with respect to x here. So ds by dx is equal to, this is 4x plus 4v will be, is a constant because v is given in the question. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, right? So finally I am getting ds by dx is equal to 4x minus 4v by x square. So after this, what we will do according to our procedure, we will equate ds by dx to 0. If I equate ds by dx to 0, 4s minus 4v by x square is equal to 0. So if you simplify this further, 4x. If you simplify this further, 4x is equal to 4v by x square. On further simplification, I am getting x cube is equal to v because 4 and 4 will get cancelled out, right? So now come to the remaining part of the question. X cube is equal to v, but we have v is equal to x square h. So I will go for that substitution. X cube is equal to x square into y. So I will be getting x is equal to y. So that means what happened now? Even L is equal to b is equal to x we are having, h is equal to y we are having. But if you just observe x is equal to y means therefore L is equal to b is equal to h. Now try to relate to the question. We started with the statement that it's a cuboid and you are getting in the cuboid L equal to b equal to h, which means it is a cube. That is what they asked you to prove in the end. If you don't stick to the procedure, what will happen? You will think in the starting itself they had given us a cube. So to avoid this confusion only, I am asking you to stick to the procedure. So here we came to a conclusion that it is a cube now. But this should not be your end. Why? Because they asked that surface area has to be minimum. Surface area has to be minimum means second order derivative should be greater than 0. So let us simplify this. ds by dx is equal to 4x minus 4v by x square. Now what is our task? We have to find second order differentiation for this. So let us apply differentiation for one more time. Dx square, this is equal to 4 minus 4v. 1 by x square means x power minus 2, that will give you minus 2 by x cube. So minus into minus is plus, 4 plus 8v by x cube, which is greater than 0. So whenever you are getting d square v by second order differentiation as a greater than 0, indicating that surface area is minimum when it is a cube, right? So like this, if you are able to understand the question in a step by step and if you follow the procedure, this will become easy. Because I am telling you again, please don't see the entire question in the very starting because it will for sure confuse you. So you should identify first of all what is given and then what is the function to be maximized or minimized. Now let us see this question. An open box with square base, an open box with square base is to be made out of given quantity of cardboard of area, C square units. Okay, and continuation, show that the maximum volume of box is something like 6 cube by 6 root 3 cubic units. I think it is very light. Yeah, I think I can better stop using the green ink. Yeah, see here, an open box with a square base is to be made out of given quantity of area C square. So what they have given to us, it's an open box, area is C square. That means again they had given you S only, surface area only. But observe this question, it is an open box. So it's an open box means the top is not there, correct? So that means what? Whatever this portion is there, this is not covered. Like this it is, right? So that means usually for a cube or a cuboid you will be having 6 faces, side 4, top and bottom, together 6 you will be having. Now what they are saying when they said it is a open box, in the sense the top is open. So that means from this figure, actually in our formula 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH, that 2 times of LB represents bottom and the top. So I no need to count top face, I can count only the bottom face, plus 2 times of BH plus LH. Hope this is clear. I will just explain one more time. Please try to understand one more time. Usually in our formula 2 times of LB BH plus LH. This is the formula for total surface area. Let us expand this. 2 times of LB, 2 times of BH, 2 times of LH you are having, right? So 2 times of LB represents top and the bottom, 2 times of BH represents side faces, 2 times of LH front and back faces. Now what they are saying, it's an open top means in this top and bottom you don't have a top at all. So that means you have to consider only the bottom area. That's why S is LB. Okay. Now the another question comes here is, they are saying it's a square base. It's a square base, indication that base is X and again you are having Y here. Now what is the value of S is equal to X into X, X square, 2 times of XY, right? Because L and B are same. So you are getting X square plus 4XY is equal to S, but they had given a square area, surface area is C square units. So this is my required equation. Let us come back to this little later. Now this is only given for us. We are still in the first point of the question only. Second point, what you have to identify the function to be maximized or minimized. Maximum volume they are saying. So that means indirectly volume has to be maximized. So for this, volume V is equal to LBH, again it will become X square into Y. Now again you please think whether I have to take the value of Y or X. That is the question will come to our mind. From this, if I try to find the value of X, as X is present in both the equations, I will get in terms of X only. So I will get the value of Y from this. So V is equal to X square into Y can be written as C square minus X square divided by 4X. Okay. So now X here one time it will get cancelled. V is equal to C square X minus X cube by 4. So I will apply differentiation with respect to X because my variable is only X here. So this will become C square minus 3X square I am getting. Okay, x cube differentiation 3x square, c square x differentiation will be c square. Because c square is constant, can be pulled out, x derivative is 1. So if you equate this dv by dx to 0, what I will be getting? C square equal to 3x square I am getting. So c is equal to root 3x I am getting. Okay. So c is equal to root 3x I am getting. But you just observe the proving part. See the proving part here. Proving part is in terms of c cube by 6 root 3. Volume you have to prove as a c cube by 6 root 3. Okay, volume completely depends on x square and y. Anyway, you have x value here. Let us find the y value first, and then we can think of what is the value to be calculated. If I substitute that here, c square as a 3x square equal to x square 4xy. 2x square 4xy. Y is equal to x by 2 I am getting. Okay, y is equal to x by 2. But see, they are asking for the maximum volume. So that means you have to prove the second order differentiation value. How you are getting, we have to cross check. So dv by dx is equal to 1 by 4 of this value. Sorry. 1 by 4 times of c square minus 3x square. So if I apply differentiation for one more time, I will be getting 1 by 4, c square differentiation 0, minus 3x square differentiation is minus 6x, which is less than 0. So therefore, volume is maximum when at the turning point, obviously, that is c is equal to root 3x. Or you can write c square equal to 3x square, anything you can write. Now, let us come to the proving part. We have to prove that volume is something like c cube by 6 root 3 and all. So volume is equal to x square y. X square means c square by 3. Y means x by 2. So x by 2 means x is nothing but c by root 3. So c by 2 root 3 we are getting. Understood? Because from this I can say x is equal to c by root 3, but you have y is equal to x by 2. So that means y value will become c by 2 root 3. That's what I am getting here. So if I do the further simplification, c cube divided by 6 into root 3. That's how I am getting. So initially itself, if I see that volume is c cube by 6 root 3 means, I may think that they had given in the question. So that's why I am asking you, please stick to the procedure, identify what is given and what is the function to be maximized or minimized. Like that, if you check, it will be easy for you to follow these questions. Okay. So these are some of the cuboid based questions, only cuboid based questions, and later you will be getting one figure placing in another figure, something like a cone inscribed in sphere or cylinder inscribed in a sphere. This type of many questions will be there that we will discuss in detail little later. Hope you are enjoying this video. If you like this video means try to subscribe to our channel. We will make sure that maths will be easy for you. Thank you for watching.